Hi everyone, this is a little video of all my Velcro stuff. For those of you who do not know what all the stuff I have, here it is. Sponge, scrubs, more old scrubs, old glove. These are some just old hook pieces that I have, and I just take some old scrubs and I stick them like this. This ball is the super messy one. This one doesn't work that great. Camera bag, Velcro. This blue fabric is also included. I can do that with hooks. I have a hook strip here. Nano Velcro, nano rolls. 2 white pieces of strips that I cut. My Velcro rolls, black, white, black strip, double-sided Velcro, some old strips, and these are all Velcro pieces. So this is all I have. If you would like to make any requests, that's fine, but I hope you guys understand and see what I have. I have more coming soon in a package, so I will show you all what I get when I receive it. Thank you.